Anyway, I am here to plug you. MK is currently hiring, and this is for the MK followers who might be interested. So the organization is Umkhonto Wesizwe. The job title is the head of communications. So if you qualified, I'm going to read what qualifications they need, the job description and everything. So listen attentively. At the end of this video, I'm going to attach the post. Then you can pause my video at the end and read for yourself. So, location, Durban and Gauteng, national offices. Contract is full-time, salary competitive, grade D1. About us, I don't know if this is necessary. Umkhonto Wesizwe Party is committed to building a unified, progressive nation driven by equal and integrity and social justice. We are looking for an innovative and a dynamic head of communications to lead our media and communication strategy, shaping how we engage with our stakeholders and the public. Job overview. As the head of communications, you will be responsible for crafting and delivering the party's internal and external communication strategy. You will ensure consistent, high-impact messaging that aligns with our vision and engages party members, the media, and the broader public. The successful candidate will be a strategic thinker with excellent leadership skills and passion for political communications. Key responsibilities will be develop and execute an integrated communication strategy, ensuring alignment with the party's values and objectives, manage media relations, acting as party spokesperson when required, and maintaining positive relationship with key media outlets. Oversee all communication channels, including social media, press releases, newsletters, and public statements. Lead a team of communication specialists, ensuring the delivery of high-quality content that engages the public and party members. Collaborate with party leadership on key initiatives. Ensure timely and effective dissemination of party decision announcements and campaigns. Monitor media coverage, public perception and communication analytics, and continuously improve communication strategies. Crisis communication management, ensuring effective messaging and response to the sensitive situation. Provide training and support for regional communications teams, ensuring consistency in messaging across all branches. Now the requirements. This is probably an important part so that you know if you qualify or not. The requirements are a bachelor's degrees in communications, public relations, journalism, or a related field in master's degree preferred. 5-year plus of experience in communications, public relations, or media with at least 3 years in leadership role. Proven track record in managing media relations and developing successful communication strategy. Excellent written and verbal communication skills with the ability to create compelling narratives for various audiences. Strong leadership abilities with experience in leading teams and managing projects. Ability to work under pressure, manage crisis, and handle sensitive issues with diplomacy and tact. Familiarity with political environments and stakeholder management is highly desirable. Proficiency and digital communication tools and social media platforms. Preference will be given to active Umkhonto Wesizwe members and veterans. How to apply? If you are interested, you should submit your CV and a cover letter detailing their experience, sustainability for the role, and proof of membership to mkpp@admin.co.za by the 23rd of September, which is, I think it's on Monday. A reference head of communications HC001 in the subject line of your email. That's the posting, guys. If you are interested, apply. I'm going to post it here at the end of this video. Yeah. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go subscribe because Galoksana ndiyaniceda ndiniphathela ne job opportunities ngoku. Whoa.